Thanks for tuning in again, everyone. I say that because this is a ChoroQ bus with the FM Osaka 85.1 frequency. I'm guessing it's a radio station in Osaka. Alright, this thing says 2003 here. So I'm guessing ChoroQ was, approached by this radio station to say, hey, can you make us some buses? Alright, it's by the standard line. And I guess $1.5 or something? TRA? I don't know if this is a shop, but this is a sticker on top of the plastic. So I just got this locally. So where this person got it, I don't know. Probably Japan, but TRA sounds kind of familiar. I don't know if that's a toy shop or what. Ah, boy, there's tape just all over this thing. Seems silly to have so much tape on this. Okay. Alright. So I don't know what kind of, bus this is, if it's a Nissan or what, but I do recognize this symbol now. That means Osaka bus, apparently. This thing here, because it's on that bus there, or all these other buses. No, maybe not. Well, anyways, this is a search for Osaka bus. So it's kind of similar. Who knows how many types of buses this city has had. I think Osaka is a big city in Japan, so they must have tons of different buses. As you can see here, long buses, short buses. They don't have that badge though, so they seem to have changed over to something else. Maybe this is the classic early 2000s badge. Alright, well that's enough with the photos since I don't know really what I'm looking for online. So it's got a number 851 on the license plate, which is nice. The headlights and turn signals are printed nicely. That badge again, this is all paint, it's not a sticker, but here is a sticker. Some sort of route, I'm gonna guess, and hopefully that will stay there. For 20 years, I guess that's not too bad that the sticker only peeled that much. Over here, oh, this is a sticker as well. You can see the edge. It's a clear sticker on a blue body. Interesting, but at least it hasn't come delaminated because this is a plastic sticker. I think this is a paper with a plastic coating, whereas this is just clear plastic. Alright, blue 5 spokes, standard ChoroQ wheels, but they suit this one pretty well because it matches the body, so I'm going to leave it alone. Clear windows here, you can see some seat headrest there. Oh, this is a sticker as well. Interesting. Sticker here, but yeah, the taillights, I think this is a clear sticker, but why would they, I don't know why the sticker is so long, it's covering the whole panel, and then why wouldn't they have some additional details like a license plate here, or maybe some other reflectors or something, or some vents. Anyways, you can see the waviness of the windows here. This side is kind of a steering wheel and a driver's seat there. No door on this side, just one door to get on this bus. So this is a really short bus they were going for. Some sort of box with no other details, but it's probably like an air conditioning unit. And then here, fmosaka.net, hits on the street. Alright. Well, I got this because it's different from my other bus castings, so let me show you some of those other bus castings now. These posters. Alright, so I've got this guy here. No idea what bus this is, what city it would be running in. This is the Hokuto bus, which is like some sort of private company, I think, that runs airline buses to the Chitose airport, from what I recall. So it's like an airport shuttle bus. Yeah, that's it for my square rectangular shaped ChoroQ buses. I will get more as long as they're different castings. These three are all different. The roofs are different, the windows are all different, so the lights are different. So it's cool by me. Alright. I haven't shown a cartoon character in a while. I picked up this little super deformed Gundam It's really short. Gundams are huge, but pretend it's a small robot. Okay. Alright, well, thanks for checking this out. I will see you next time around. Bye.